Und willkommen zurück hier bei Tales of Kindermädchen, Mila, Xilia, wieso auch immer, ganz einfach. Elise wird mal abgehauen und wir müssen sie finden. Wo könnten die überhaupt sein, hey? Muss irgendwo hier oben sein. Geht doch gar nicht anders. Hast du ein kleines Mädchen gesehen? Nö, nicht so wie es aussieht. Wo ist denn die? Immer diese kleinen Gehören. Ist auch niemand? Okay, ist sie doch nicht im Hotel? Gibt's ja wohl nicht. Elise, du machst mich langsam ein bisschen sauer. Wo bist du denn zum Teutates? So, womit sagt da vorne ist sie? Aber Chinchao! Ach du Scheiße.
No reason to be alarmed. This is purely a chance encounter. Nothing more.
Und das sollen wir dir abkaufen, ja?
Elise, I'm sorry about before. I can't imagine how lonely you must be without the old Tipo. I know I have a bad habit of opening my big mouth without thinking. Please forgive me. No. Come on, don't say that. I'll beg if I have to. I thought you and Mila were my friends. I hate you. I hate you. Can't you see that I'm just worried sick about you? Liar! You don't care about me at all. I don't want to be friends anymore.
Miss Elise, everyone is being kind to you right now because you have them so concerned. You say that you feel hurt, but have you considered your own actions? Do you realize that Tipo's words were just as hurtful to Miss Leia?
I hurt Leia? Well, hurt is a strong word, but you took the wind out of my sails, that's for sure. I had no idea.
Why don't you try apologizing to her?
But I said such horrible things.
I am certain she will forgive you if you ask nicely. Forgiveness is the sign of a true friend.
Leia, I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? Sure, but under one condition. From now on, I want you to tell me more about yourself using your own voice.
Huh. You're not the boss of her. You're only 3 years older.
Tipo, stop! Elise? Yes? Even if it's only 3 years, I'm still older than you. Right.
Bossy Leia, scary Leia!
There's a lesson here, child. Never take your friends for granted.
So what do we do now? Jurgen still hasn't gotten back yet.
We could just barge into the castle ourselves.
For the 100th time, let's not cause any trouble for Jurgen.
That's no good? It sounded like a good idea to me.
Das wundert mich ja hingegen weniger.
City in such a high place. Well, I guess maybe it's just more impressive that way.
Tja, wer weiß das schon?
Jude! We're such great pals!
Hey! Why do you always chomp my face?
As a sign of affection.
I've never seen Tipo get so close with anyone else before. So that was like a Tipo kiss.
It was? My first kiss was stolen by Jude?
Stolen? That should be my line. I can't believe I'm having this conversation with a puppet.
Don't be coy, Jude. You have to take responsibility.
Oh, Jude.
Responsibility? Responsibility for what?
Ich sag dazu lieber gar nichts. Das ist Elise und... Was?
Tipo, please. Stop saying mean things to Leia.
But that's on you, Elise.
No, I don't want to insult my friends.
But at the bottom of your heart, don't you want to?
No, you're wrong. Don't say things like that. Bad, Tipo, bad. Hey, take it easy, you two. But Tipo's been saying horrible things. It's all right. I don't mind.
Always meddling with us just 'cause you're a few years older.
But I like it when Leia meddles.
Yep, she really does feel that way.
Oh, thanks, Elise. Guess I'll keep right on meddling then.
Okay, okay. Kommt noch was? Kommt dann noch was oder kommt nichts mehr? Und ja, eine Sidequest. Entschuldigt mich, habt ihr ein Schweinchen gesehen? Was? Ein Schweinchen gesehen? Was soll das sein? Mischen aus Schwein und Kaninchen oder was? Was ist weggelaufen? Was soll ich jetzt tun? Schweinchen braten. Ach du Scheiße. Ja, ja, natürlich. Im Mono-Hochland suchen gehen. Wenn ihr mal Zeit und Lust haben, gerne. Okay, okay, dann das auch. Zurück in die Stadt. Geht das zum Schloss? Wo ist das Schloss überhaupt? Wo ist denn das? Bitte sag mir nicht, dass das Schloss da oben ist. Sieht fast so aus. Okay, okay, okay. So. Das müsste ungefähr hier sein, war? Position stimmt also. Mal gucken. Hallo, komm ich durch? Wieso? Berg... nö. Wie sagt man schon, wenn ihr mitfahren wollt? Ja, tun wir auch. Ich will ins Schloss, die stehen hier an und er vermutlich auch hier irgendwo, oder? Nicht? Bereits weiter? Cool. Tschüss.
That's quite the line.
I guess this king really does listen to his people.
The King of Azul is well known for his charisma. It is said he unified this strife-torn country on the strength of his character alone.
A guy like that is sure to help us.
Charisma only goes so far. If his government is secretly producing children like Elise.
Thank you.
Sorry, we were getting antsy.
No, this is actually perfect timing. Are we good to go with the wyverns? Yes, I got royal approval. And something incredible happened when I requested an audience for Mila.
What is it?
When I told them your names, they said His Highness was looking forward to meeting you, too. Are you all famous in Rashagal or something?
I don't think so.
Perhaps word of the tournament has reached His Highness. What a great honor for our clan. Anyway, I need to head back to Shandu to ready the wyverns.
Quite the unexpected welcome.
It's not a trap, is it?
I have a bad feeling about this as well.
You do? It beats not getting to meet him at all.
Keeping secrets from us again?
Of course. I have to maintain my mystique for the ladies.
What does he mean?
They say men with secrets are attractive or something. I'm not exactly the right guy to ask.
Come on, let's go say hi to His Highness.
Alvin, we really need you to be straight with us.
Don't worry. I know you've put your trust in me.
Na, das heißt noch lange nichts, aber egal. Gut, gut,
Considering the
gut.
size of his country, Gaius's castle is actually pretty modest.
I think that's admirable.
So eine Falle für Mila? Ich weiß nicht, woher, ich weiß es nicht. Ich meine, woher weiß er? Ich meine, er will Mila unbedingt sehen. Okay, Mila Maxwell. Vielleicht weiß er wirklich, dass sie Maxwell ist. Vielleicht kennen wir sogar den Charakter davon, wer hinter dem König steckt. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Wenn es gleich erfahren. Oh, noch eine Speicherstation. Okay, es kommt definitiv zum Kampf. Ach du Scheiße, aber ich habe hoffentlich das richtige Level. Einigermaßen. Okay. Du, kurz durchatmen und dann geht's los hier. König von Auschul! Zeigt euch, wir wollen euch in den Hintern treten. Keine Ahnung, was er will. Wir sehen sie gleich.
Halt! Citizens seeking an audience with the king are to wait in line outside the castle.
We were told the king wished an audience with us.
Is one of you Lady Mila?
That's me.
Very well. Please proceed.
What's the holdup?
I don't believe a doll is appropriate at a royal audience. I thought we might leave it here.
You sure? It's okay.
I'll hold that for you.
Now, let us meet this king.
What are you doing here?
I am Zhao the Immovable, of the Chimeriad.
The Chimeriad?
4 warriors in personal service to the king. To think Zhao was a member all along.
Uh-oh.
It is a great honor to meet you, former Chief of Staff Ilbert.
Ah, and you are the Ebon Wing of Azul. Wingle the Nova.
You must be the King of Azul.
My name is Gaius, King of Azul. Welcome, Maxwell.
You have requested an audience with the king, have you not? Now please, state your business.
Boosters made in your country have already fallen into Rashagal hands. If a war were to break out between your nations, then the results would be catastrophic for everyone.
Oh. And you came all the way here just to tell me that in person?
Yes, Your Highness.
We're planning to destroy one of Rashagal's weapons, a really big one at that. Once that thing's gone, we know that Rashagal's king wouldn't dare declare war on you. In fact, we hope that you might, help us?
Is there anything else?
Yes, there is one other matter we'd like to discuss. It is in regards to the booster laboratory within the Royal Hunting Grounds.
Is it true you once abducted orphans for this facility, and then you performed experiments on these children?
Well, I didn't see that one coming. What does any of this have to do with you, Spirit?
I am Maxwell. It is my duty to protect both humans and spirits alike.
Really? Spirits protecting humans? Now that is quite an interesting tale.
You forsook your duty as king, and then you toyed with the lives of your own people, didn't you?
The laboratory is entirely my responsibility. It was a haven for those children. They would have died without it. You imagine it as a mad scientist's lab, but I assure you the experiments were entirely humane.
You expect us to take your word for this?
But I was...
This girl, she was that test subject?
Yes, she was.
Even in Hamil, Elise was forced to live in a tiny room. Don't you consider that
Cruel?
well, yes.
Tell me something, boy. Have you ever considered what it takes to achieve happiness?
To achieve happiness?
Yes, to try and live a satisfying life. How do you think one can achieve that? Do you even know?
Well,
It takes freedom to make your own decisions and to form your own beliefs.
exactly. It takes freedom.
Well, I disagree. When a man loses his way in life, the ground beneath him starts to slowly crumble until there is nothing left.
What do you mean? Nothing left?
A man who cannot find his way becomes trapped. The more he struggles, the deeper he sinks into uncertainty. True happiness comes from following a noble path across an entire lifetime, without getting lost. My country does not produce failures. It is the king's duty to show his people the proper path. I must keep them from becoming completely trapped. Now, let me tell you in no uncertain terms why I've called you here. Maxwell, I know you stole the key from the laboratory in Rashagal. Now hand it over immediately.
No, I won't. The key was not meant for human hands. When faced with the power that can destroy the entire world, no human can control him or herself.
It seems as though you haven't heard a thing that I just said, Spirit.
Something about royal guidance and noble paths. I've heard it before. You humans never change. I've watched you for 2,000 years.
All right. Then why don't you just tell us where the key is?
What?
Alvin! What are you doing?
But you can't!
Alvin.
Sorry, guys. I'm just doing my job.
Alvin, who did Maxwell entrust the key to?
The handmaid Ivor. He's probably sulking back in Nia Khera as we speak.
Al, what are you doing here?
Hey, Pressa. Long time no see.
Pressa, what is it?
Ignore them. Give your report.
The Rashigal army has invaded Hamil.
What did you say?
I'm afraid the casualties are high. Those not killed were captured. They were then sent to Rashigal. We also found evidence that the power of a great spirit was used upon the village.
A great spirit. But no one has successfully summoned the 4 great spirits for 2 decades.
Impossible. I would have known if the 4 great spirits had been released. Could it be the Lance of Kresnik? Is it possible that Nautical has made a new key?
If that's the case, then we're declaring war. Send word to all the clans. I am going to crush anyone who dares to harm my people!
Well then, we will no longer have any need for the likes of you. But if His Highness were to have the Spirit Maxwell as his captive, even the unruly clans would be forced to bend their knees.
Miss Elise.
Tipo, no!
Well, don't just stand there! Come on, run!
Capture Maxwell. Recover the test subject.
Elvin, dieser elende Verräter, hey, ich wusste es, sie hätte mir niemals vertrauen dürfen. Und ich dort haben auch noch aufgepowert und so. Alter, bin ich gerade sauer. Na klar, es haben wir 2 Könige gegen uns, den von Ascheguld, den von Oschuld, den von Nachtigall. Gibt's ja nicht, ey. Alter, was ist denn hier los, ey? Das gibt's doch nicht. Wieso sind alle gegen uns? Jetzt hat's scheinbar irgendwie... Ja, haben sie auch noch geschafft, die Kraft eines der 4 großen Geister herbeizurufen. Das ist ganz toll, weil wir es natürlich Mila sehr freuen drüber, ganz klar. Oh Mann, und Eiweiß ist auch noch in Gefahr und wir müssen schnell zurück. Wir müssen schnell zurück den Schlüssel holen, Sicherheit bringen und dann wird Elvin, kriegt was auf den Latze. Einen miesen Verrat. Ich weiß, er ist Söldner und so, ganz klar, aber das war einmal zu viel. Ja, sollen wir dazu gerade eigentlich richtig loslegen? Mann, oh Mann. So, weg hier. Schnell weg. Raus hier. Raus hier. Was sagt die Karte? Bin ich eigentlich richtig unterwegs? Sieht dann soweit gut aus, war? Tschüss. Kein Bock auf euch. Tschüss.
So, Alvin really was a big fat liar.
I assumed he had his reasons, but this time he took it too far.
Stupid traitor, let me at him! Why would he betray us like that?
I'm afraid even I can't read his mind.
How could he do this to us? He better not show his face around us again.
Wir sollten lieber verschwinden, Freunde. Und nur Stifter. Ja, aber geht's überhaupt raus hier? Hier. Ist ja ganz toll. Ne, vielleicht? Übel Bergbahn.
It won't open.
If we can reactivate the 5 control stones, we may be able to unlock the gate. Pour your mana into the stones until they glow red.
Just like at Fort Gandala.
The gate will not unlock, however, unless we all activate the stones at roughly the same time.
Wait, I've never done anything like this before.
Don't worry. Just use your mana as you would when casting an art.
There's no time. We've only one chance.
Let us begin.
Uh-oh.
Done.
Already?
I'm finished too.
Same here.
I did it. Come on, come on. I'm so sick of holding everyone back. Why? Why can't I do it? Mila!
Leia, relax.
I'm not good enough for this!
Quit thinking you're inferior to anyone here.
Thanks.
You can do this. Let's continue.
Okay. Ha! Yes!
Hurry up, you two!
Ja, und jetzt? Wie geht's weiter? Flieh aus Kambala und wie wir fliehen. Wir hauen ab, wir hauen ab, wir hauen ab. Was jetzt?